If you are a seasoned outdoorsman, then you already know that choosing the right equipment is essential when putting your pack together. There is no compromise. You will understand the brutality of the wild and will have a respectful appreciation for nature, and know that sometimes your equipment can be the difference between life or death. I've spent a lot of time out there. A lot. I normally venture on when others turn around and head home. This drive nearly cost me my life before, but I would rather die out there doing what I love than be controlled by fear of the unknown. That long, cold blizzard night in a shallow snow hole reminded me that sometimes skill and mindset may not be enough, but having the best equipment you can afford is equally important. I awoke feeling more alive than ever before, knowing my MSS had done its job. One piece of equipment I have always lacked was a durable, silent hunting weapon that could fit into my pack. Nothing on the market was just quite right, and so I decided to design something for myself. I wanted it to fit into a 21-inch day pack, yet not stack like short bows do. It had to be super light, which meant super strong to make it durable enough for survival purposes. It also had to be maintenance-free and require no tools. The result was exactly what I needed when nature called me back to those wild places. I'm Doug Shadwell, designer of the SAS Tactical Survival Bow and owner of Survival Archery Systems. After 15 years as an automotive design engineer, I knew it would require all my engineering expertise and practical experience in the field. I started out with a concept that packed down to the all-critical 21 inches, was able to store takedown arrows inside the riser, and was truly ambidextrous. My engineering calculations proved that a thin-walled riser was actually stronger than a solid riser of reduced cross-sectional area. Next, I had to find a way to get a 21-inch bow to extend to 60 inches, which is a great non-stacking bow length. I achieved this by using over-center folding brackets that gave the bow an additional 4 inches. Now that I had a workable shape, I reduced the weight to the extreme using some very intense engineering analysis to ensure it was designed for what we call infinite life, which basically means the bow can theoretically last more than 500 million shots. To achieve the power I needed, I chose a deep flex composite fiber from the same company that does all the big names in the industry. When the first prototype came in and we took that first shot, we knew we had a winner in our hands. After 18 months of development, it was the exact product I'd hoped for. I never actually intended to sell it, but as an ex-Special Forces friend of mine said to me, people who know what they are doing are the type of people who are quickly going to realize just how valuable and well thought out this bow is. You need to put this on the market. And thus was born the SAS Tactical Survival Bow. With features like a 21-inch aerospace-grade aluminum riser that is treated to reduce glare and allow for excellent paint adhesion. A symmetrical grip with surprisingly ergonomic shape, allowing for the only truly ambidextrous survival bow on the market. Aerospace-grade folding brackets with an over-center action extend the bow to 60 inches, yet allow for super compactness. The bow actually fits in most day packs, yet will down large deer. High-tech pultruded composite fiber limbs from the industry leader, which are available in various poundages. The string grooves have been carefully designed to prevent string slippage during overdraw situations and make your string last longer. The mounting system uses a correctly designed, high tensile steel bolt and nut system to ensure the composite does not crack, as do limbs that are not properly bolted down. A camo carry bag, which also doubles up as a simple quiver, protects your bow and also allows for easy transport and concealment. Aluminum takedown arrows with a 316 stainless steel connector, which are less prone to damage when striking bone or rock as compared to carbon arrows. They are simply better for long-term survival. Marine-grade 316 stainless steel is used on the pivot pin and washer systems to prevent corrosion and ensure durability. I wanted a product I could trust my life with, one that was built to the stringent specifications and quality I expected. And so our bows are now made in America, using American materials and built by American people who share our passion. The end result is a powerful, lightweight, 21-inch super compact survival bow capable of speeds up to 220 foot per second, which does not stack at 31-inch draw, is corrosion resistant, truly ambidextrous, requires no tools or maintenance, and is engineered to last a lifetime. And the best of it all, the arrows are protected inside the riser. It is the exact embodiment of the weapon I need for my lifestyle, and now I never enter the wilderness without it. Survival Archery Systems is a company dedicated to developing high-end, premium products for men and women around the world who dare to venture into places few have ever been. The type of people who know that when their lives depend on it, only the best is acceptable. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow. Exceptional gear for exceptional people.